In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create password on Shopify. If you're setting up a new store or making changes behind the scenes, putting your storefront behind a password is a simple way to control who can see it until you're ready to launch. I'll walk you through exactly where this setting lives and how to set a secure password so you can keep your work private while you build. Start by opening the Shopify website and signing into your store's admin. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the left-hand side for the main navigation. Find Online Store and click it. This opens the section that controls everything related to your storefront. From here, choose Preferences. Preferences is where Shopify groups several important site-wide settings, including search engine listings, analytics, and, the one we need today, your password protection. On the Preferences page, scroll until you see the Password Protection section. This is the area that controls access to your storefront. When password protection is on, only people who have the password can view your online store. Everyone else will see a password page instead of your products and pages. This is perfect while you're still customizing your theme, curating your collections, or getting policies and shipping set up. In the Password Protection section, click into the password field and type the password you want to use. Choose something memorable to you but difficult for others to guess. A mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and a symbol can help make it stronger. Avoid personal details or reused passwords from other accounts. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to generate a unique one and store it securely so you don't lose access. Before you finish, take a quick moment to make sure the password looks exactly right. Passwords are case sensitive, so double-check capitalization and spelling. Remember that anyone you share this password with will be able to preview your storefront, so share it only with trusted collaborators and consider updating it if you've shared it widely in the past. When you're satisfied with your choice, click Save. That's it. Your storefront is now protected, and visitors will see a password page until you decide to open the store to the public. You can come back to this same Preferences section anytime to change the password or remove it when you're ready to launch. Keeping control over access during setup helps you work confidently, present your brand professionally, and make a strong first impression when you go live.